If you've ever found yourself frustrated because Adobe Acrobat just won't respond, you're definitely not alone. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you can take to quickly fix Adobe Acrobat when it freezes or stops working. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tackle the most common causes behind Acrobat glitches and get back to working with your PDF files in no time. Let's dive right in with some immediate fixes. First things first, if Acrobat isn't responding, a simple restart can often work wonders. Go ahead and close Adobe Acrobat completely, not just the file. Make sure the entire program is closed. Then restart your computer. This step clears out any temporary memory issues or lingering glitches that may be causing Acrobat to act up. Some folks overlook this, but believe me, a fresh system reboot can fix surprising amounts of weird software behavior. Now, if Acrobat is completely frozen and won't close the regular way, it's time to use the Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Find any Adobe Acrobat processes in the list. Sometimes there can be more than one, and click End Task. This forces the program to shut down, freeing up your computer and stopping any stuck processes in their tracks. Don't worry if you've never used Task Manager before. It's basically your computer's way of showing you what's running behind the scenes. Next, let's check for updates. Outdated software is a classic cause of freezing and crashes because updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Open Acrobat. Go to the menu bar, click Help, then select Check for Updates. If you see any updates available, install them and restart Acrobat to let those changes take effect. Doing this regularly can help you avoid problems even before they start. If you're still running into trouble, you may have some corrupted files in your Acrobat installation. To fix this, go back into the Help menu and choose Repair Installation. Acrobat will look for and repair any damaged program files automatically. This process may take a few moments, so don't worry if progress seems slow. It's normal, and it's worth letting the repair finish without interruption. Another important step is to temporarily disable Protected Mode for troubleshooting. Sometimes Acrobat's extra security features can interfere with basic program functions. Go to Preferences, select Security, Enhanced, and uncheck Enable Protected Mode at Startup. This helps Acrobat run a little more freely while you test for issues. Just remember, it's crucial to re-enable Protected Mode once you're done troubleshooting to keep your files and systems safe. Alright, let's move on to more advanced checks. You'll want to open Task Manager again and look at your computer's current RAM and CPU usage. If you notice that other applications are eating up lots of resources, close them out. Acrobat might freeze or refuse to open if your computer is overloaded, so freeing up memory can really make a difference. Think of it like clearing clutter off a desk so you have space to work. Here's a less obvious tip. Clear your list of recent files in Acrobat. Go to File, then Open Recent, and clear the list. Sometimes, a corrupted PDF sitting in your recent files can be the root of the problem. It's a quick action, but it can save you a headache. Conflicting software is another potential culprit. Temporarily disable any other PDF viewers you have installed, or security software that might be interfering with how Acrobat runs. You don't need to uninstall them. Just shut them down while you test Acrobat. If the problem vanishes, you'll know there's some interference happening. And finally, if you've tried all these steps and Acrobat still gives you trouble, it's time for a complete reset. Uninstall Adobe Acrobat, restart your computer, and then download and reinstall the latest version. Sometimes starting fresh is the quickest route back to smooth performance, especially if deeper software issues are at play. I hope these steps have helped you get Adobe Acrobat up and running again. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips. If you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.